Here's another product that I use and love. If I don't love it, I don't recommend it. We acquired this entire kitchen in a bag because we knew it would be perfect for our pop-up camper. Here's what it includes. So it has a set of silverware for 4 people. Each set of 2 comes in its own little bag, and they are little collapsible silverware. So I just thought that was really cool and a great way to save space in a camper instead of having a whole silverware drawer. I thought that was pretty smart. It also has salt and pepper shakers, which we keep filled, a knife that has a cover that is very sharp. There is a cheese grater and a pair of kitchen shears, a corkscrew with can opener, and then a small cutting board that we've used many times. A whisk, a set of tongs, a kitchen cooking fork, a spatula, a ladle, and then a small vegetable peeler. Get yours in the description below.